Lick! Fireflies! Fireflies! Up here! No, over here. Way over here. Way over. A little more. Little more. Little. Yes. Perfect. Oh, and hi. Hi. Hello. And welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you those special bug eyes. Now, go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bugs. So, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now. Huh? Like that. Off into the... Yes, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate when you do that. I really do. That I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flick.
Where
Nickel.
was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This part's one of my favorites.
Paul! Keep on coming! Chili's on a roll.
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull?
Listen up, my aunt! Hold still!
Back off! I guess you hadn't noticed, alright?
Yeah, there's! Here! No one makes a fool of Jimmy, man! Come back here and try out the ball!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a lean, mean, defensive machine. I am the terminator.
You couldn't hurt a flea.
Oh no. I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. Oh shoot. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Oh, is everybody all right up there? Oh. I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Flick.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let it rip, Claire.
Hey! Stop here, man!
No way! You'll never catch me!
Flick, the target's gone.
Look, she's gonna blow.
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Lay off the churros, will ya? Oh, I'm sorry.
Flick, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made them honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will. Because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What? You're still alive? This means war! Hornet, on your singers and attack! I'm going in for the sting! You are over your target, Black Widow Spider! Jump! Back off, spiders! There am I. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
Slick, what do we do now? Bring out the next act. He refuses to come out of his cocoon.
Well, we'll just keep going, huh? Cue the finale! Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a flavor. We're pollinators!
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely.
Give me, Bobby, coming through here.
At this time, gather up your personal belongings.